Good morning, everyone. So today I got to pick up my small trailer I have in my shelter. I tried it with my four-wheeler. I almost got stuck. So it's kind of funny. The snow is kind of wet. So this is what I have to do this morning. And at the same time, I got to do a little bit of work at the cabin. So it's going to be a quite fun day. Well, good news. I'm thinking probably next week I'm going to start my project, building my log cabin. Look at this. So I got to cut my logs and peel it. So I got to count how many I need. So for my log cabin, and a lot of stuff I didn't talk to you about what I'm going to do there at the same time. So it's going to be a lot of fun. And I'm actually thinking of building a small bridge. It's not going to be a big one, but it'll be fun. So when I start my project, a week or 2 weeks from now, I'll still be coming here. I have to build my outside kitchen. I'm living here, so I'll be here. What I'm going to do is probably stay there for 3 or 4 days and come back here for the weekends, or for the end of the week I can do some work here. So there's a lot of project I need to do here, so I'll make a video there and I'll make one here. So I'll be at two places at the same time. But the project at the other place, that's a big project for 2 or 4 years. It's going to be really fun. I didn't told you guys what everything I'm going to do, but sometimes it's going to be surprising, or I'll tell you when I start doing it. So like the creek goes a little bit less wide in one place. I can put like can pass with my side by side, because I need to build more than one log cabin, but I'll do one at a time. So I was actually talking to Christine. Why don't you build yourself a log cabin? That would be kind of fun. She could do that. So we're talking about it. She can show that on her content. I know she's cooking a lot on her content right now, but you'll see that later on. But don't forget to go subscribe and go take a look at her channel. She's actually doing pretty good. So it's starting to get there. And I'll be so happy in April when we can start working very hard and do some stuff. The snow can really, really slow you down. But got to get this done. And I got to show you guys what happened the other day to my other cabin. Really, really dangerous. There was a lot of snow on top of the roof, and it really came down really hard. So I will show you that later on this content. So we'll talk to you later. Well, I built this about, I don't know, I think it was 2021. No, it was not 2021. Well, 2022, whatever it is. So look, it lasted for a long time. So I don't know if this is going to come apart. Oh, there's snow. Oh, I'm not going to touch it. It might fall off on me. I know there was a lot less project here for the winter. I did my rabbit hutch, but there's only so much thing I could do this winter. But now in a couple of weeks, the fun begins. So I did 2 log cabin with this, so I know if you can fix it, or I might have to buy a new one. That's fine. I was trying it today because this is what I'm going to use for my log cabin. I'm bringing a lot less tools when I'll build the other one. There's no rush. I don't have a rush of doing it, so I'm just going to have there more bushcraft. all, look at this. We had snow on the roof. I don't know what happened, if it melted or underneath, and it actually slid and it hit. I heard it in the night. It made. I knew that something had fell down. But I didn't need it broke everything. Look at the mess. When they tell you to clean the roof, well, I should have cleaned it. But I only had about probably like 1.5 feet because the snow is always falling down, as you can see on the patio, and that should be cleaned. This is not great, but it made a lot of damage. But I will fix that once we don't have any more. So, but this could have been really, really dangerous. I got kids, but I told the kids not to come in the back. But still, just will never happen again. What I'm going to do is, what I'm going to do next year, I'm going to clean the roof. Or I think I'm probably going to put a porch here anyway, so it doesn't matter. It will fall down the other side, but I still need to clean it because it is very dangerous. And look at this. See how dangerous this was? I didn't know it had melt, but next time, like I said about a couple of minutes ago, I need to clean the roof all the time because it is too dangerous. That could have hurt somebody.